Hello everyone, welcome to Snap with Aysha. Today I am showing you how to make delicious homemade mango bars which are sweet, chewy and full of real mango flavor. Peel and chop 2 raw mangoes into chunks, add to a pressure cooker with water, cook for 2 whistles on medium flame, then cool the mango chunks. Roast the following spices: after boiling the mango chunks, mash it well into a smooth lump-free paste. Pour the paste into a pan, add a pinch of salt and add sugar according to taste. Cook on low flame, stir continuously until it thickens to a jam-like consistency about 10 to 15 minutes. Add black salt, roasted cumin, dried red chilli and pepper powder. Add green food color if you like. Mix well and turn off the flame. Grease a steel plate or tray with ghee. Spread the thick mango mixture evenly into a thin layer. Dry the spread out mixture in direct sunlight for 1 to 2 days. Once dried and non-sticky, cut the mango bar into small squares or roll them up. Store in an airtight container. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up, comment below and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.